Hi guys, my name is Igbafin Feed Talented. You can call me Sweet Mouth Nose or you can call me Nasty. And I am so happy I am finally doing this. I've been meaning to do this for a very long time, but I had some setbacks. But it's a good thing I'm here now. So this is basically a very short introductory video about my YouTube channel. Like I said, I'm Igbafin Feed Talented, but you can call me Nasty or the Sweet Mouth Nurse. I am a registered nurse, I'm a registered midwife, and I have my bachelor's in nursing science. Just what my YouTube channel is going to be about, it's going to be about a lot of health education, a lot of nursing tutorials, and a lot of vlogs. Every human actually has to know about their body and their health. In the current world right now, the best form of healthcare is the preventive healthcare. And you cannot actually prevent illness or diseases without having a good knowledge about your body and about your health. So this channel is basically going to be health educating you about your body, about your health, and about healthy living. So please stay tuned, do well to like, share, and subscribe. And please, all your friends and family members has to know about this channel. It's always a nice thing if everybody around you is well and healthy. So please help me share and like this video, and I promise you it's going to be fun. Thank you. Bye.